Here he goes, here he goes. Oh, shit. Fire, fire, fire. Alright guys, beautiful afternoon here in Cali, and we made it home. We made it home.
Indeed we did, barely.
So I guess we're gonna have to talk about a very sentimental topic today.
Yeah, it is sentimental, especially for the channel of the Skeptical Mechanics crew. Unfortunately, the S10 is giving up.
Finally.
After a really long time of beating it up and changing the transmission and doing some other shit.
Come on, we didn't beat it up so bad. How sick, dude. I'm just playing. We fucked this thing up.
You wanted to die a long time ago, but we're not letting it, so...
We just kept it alive after all these years. It just, it was stolen a couple of times.
I mean, it was a really good truck to us. So, it is kind of sad. It's a bummer that we're going to have to let it go. And but we want to do it with glory. Like, the shit you should do with a truck that is being so good to you, and then you gotta somehow give it back to it, you know, kind of like give it back to it, like let it go, but with a big
with honor, right, with a good legacy.
Yeah, with fucking gunshots and shit, whatever you want to call it, but we want to let it go the right way, and then so we can move on and probably get another project car, and that we can work on and maybe make it stronger. And beat it. Yeah, so
as you guys saw right now, there's something wrong with either the transmission or the engine. It's shaking really badly. We checked the oil.
It has a little bit.
It has a little too much oil, so we're gonna start by removing the extra oil, and then check if anything of any of the torque converter bolts got loose, because we did the transmission swap, so you can only imagine how that went. So yeah, and this is the plan. The way it's gonna go out is doing burnouts and donuts, what it was built for, and the plan is taking off the bed. We're gonna remove all the weight we can, and meaning taking off the bed, and hopefully that gives us enough power for this thing to do burnouts and donuts like it used to. Right now it can't. It's very weak. So I think it's out of cylinder probably. It's misfiring. So we're gonna remove the weight so we can do better burnouts. And if that works, then it's gonna be the end of this thing right here.
The S10.
The S10.
I mean, hopefully if we remove the weight, and then we're gonna take that filter so we get more pure air through it.
Get some good air.
Yep. And then we find any torque converter bolts loose, then that means we can tie them up and see if it's better. Otherwise, we're still gonna fucking go send it.
Yeah. Otherwise, it's a rod knock, and we're still gonna send it.
And we're still gonna send it. We're gonna give it a proper goodbye. But yeah, it's sad.
So how many bolts are on the back?
There's 8. There's 4 and 4. The bumper has like another 8 by itself. So we're gonna take the bumper first, and then the trunk lid or whatever you call it, and then after that we'll remove the bolts from the bed. Take the brake lights, all the lights from the back. Be careful with the wire harness if you guys want to keep using it. So our plan is to reuse the lights, because we're gonna drive far. So we're gonna zip tie in somewhere and zip tie all the harness
to the frame.
So it can just safe to drive a long distance, if this shit makes it, So we'll see how it goes. It shouldn't take as long. I mean, after those 8 bolts are actually completely off, the bed should just come out. You just need 2 people, and then that's it.
All right, Sergio removed all the bolts from under the bed. I took care of the gas cap, the lights, and we did some of the wiring on the bottom. You can see the light bulbs are back there and shit. Anyways, we're about to lift up the bed. Trying to get a good angle for you guys so you can see the whole show. What's that?
Across this shit is fucked.
A foot? Huh?
Let's leave the bumper so we can put the plate back.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like that thing stays, so that's pretty convenient. Now all we gotta do is hook up the lights somewhere.
Here. Let's get something here.
Somewhere, yeah, where people can see them.
And then the rest of the wires.
Just kind of secure everything with zip ties and got that. We got the cherry bomb. Damn, this thing's gonna be light.
I know.
That's pretty heavy. Oh, look at that spot right there.
That's from the transmission thing.
Wow. No. Damn. Actually.
Oh, look at the breather.
Oh shit, that's the breather for the diff?
Yeah.
That's pretty good actually.
Yeah.
Fuck, the new shocks.
Yeah.
You're gonna take good use of those fuckers. Damn, okay. Fuck it. Alright. Alright.
So it's not hard. It's just 4 bolts. Actually, 8 bolts. 8 bolts, and then
which were this,
and that one, and that one.
Yeah. So yeah, it's 4 per side.
And they're not hard. It's just like the
wiring. The wiring kind of, you gotta be careful.
Yeah, you gotta be careful with the wiring. But it's a 15 millimeter socket. I say 10 minutes the most, and 2-3 people.
And you're set.
It should be out.
Yeah.
That's for the
for the spare.
The spare tire.
Fuck it. All right. Yeah. Okay.
Well, and that was secure. You cannot see them.
Yeah. So we figure out a good way to mount him. There's some holes right there already, so we can just attach the light. And you know, you can see the side profile. It's literally the same location as the original ones, but down.
Lower.
Right? Yeah, lower rather than up. But this thing looks pretty badass like this. We were like actually regretting we didn't do this sooner.
I know, right? Should have done this shit a long time ago, dude.
It's hella light, and then like you can see the fucking cherry bomb right there. I mean,
oh shit! I can already see myself on the freeway, bro.
I know, huh? Just fucking mobbing.
People look at me like, what the fuck?
Fuck it, we're gonna attach the lights and see how it looks. Oh, here. Here.
Yeah, it's like a wrap around it. Come on, you need that.
My bad. Forgot we were recycling here. So, keep that engine alive. That's what we're aiming for. So we're gonna slap a quart of the Lucas heavy duty oil stabilizer, and we put that stuff in the tank, hoping it's gonna hold. But yeah, this is how it looks, everybody. This is the new look of the S10. That is it. She looks fucking wild. So you can see lights are secure there. Won't go anywhere. We kind of secure this too. Won't go anywhere. So yeah, we're close. We're close. We drained about a quart out of this thing, the engine. I'm gonna throw this thing in there. See if it saves this thing. There.
Get the good stuff in there.
Yeah, get the shit's thick, dude.
You want the
Look at that.
the funnel?
Do we have it?
Yeah, but it's not too thick though.
It's just pretty.
Oh fuck it.
Yeah, there you go. It's just like fucking honey.
There you go. How's the stuff?
Oh,
be careful, bro. Oh shit.
we gotta fill up that hole. I gotta say it, bro.
I'm not judging. Nice and easy, boy.
Fucking dumb. Alright. Alright, let's play. Let's hope this thing helps.
We still need to check the torque converter bolts.
Ah, I forgot about that. Okay. Alright, we can just let that thing kind of fall there. Alright, lights work.
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, that could be good or bad. Yeah. That thing sounds so rough.
I don't know what the fuck that was.
It will run. Fuck it. I believe it will.
Alright, we'll see.
I mean, it's built to last. It's a working man's truck.
It's a Chevy way.
Yeah, it's a Chevy. There you go.
It's a Chevy.
Come on, girl. Woo! The way the engine shakes. Sounds better? Oh, fuck that. I don't want to piss it on my face.
Take it over there. Take it over there. Take it.
Hey, what's up, buddy?
What's poppin', blood? Yeah, last time we were here, we were working on that. This year, we had a fucking Honda. We used to carry some of the fortune. The fucking guy said she wants the Red Rocky.
The Red Rocky?
She wants it back home.
Oh shit.
The magic juice.
The magic juice. This thing is gonna need a little bit of help, honestly, if it's gonna do anything.
Am I tripping? Or you can't hear the knock no more?
I mean, maybe a self-heal overnight.
Let's do it for Dale.
Do it for Dale?
Do it for Dale. For the homeboy Cletus.
This fool. Nah, leave it open, way. Fuck it. Nah, you good. Oh, okay. No, go back, go back. Back up, back up. Go, go, right there, right there, right there. It's perfect. There you go, there you go. Oh shit. Oh shit. It fucking hooked. Yeah. Hey, wait, we gotta go out to the street and swing this bitch. Fuck it.
It's kind of forced, but it does. I feel like for some reason, dude, it kind of got some power. It doesn't want to die either. There's the power.
Maybe it's self-healed overnight. No, it did it, dude. Look. You got some. The way if we get like 2 gallons of water, one for each tire, like just.
Like, wait, you just needed some J Love and.
Yeah, this fool jumped on that shit. Shit, fuck it. I said let's take it out.
Fuck it, I'm down.
You're down?
Mm-hmm.
Well, fuck it. We gotta get some water.
Are you more in the fucking?
Go back, go back. Mas. Go. Go. Damn, that shit sounded rough. Verga, so yeah, this shit's got no power then. Give it some gas,
Come on, just got the smoke coming out.
Let it cool down. You said it had no oil pressure?
It has no oil pressure. They're like 2 dots.
Could it be the battery cables?
Fuck no.
Oh shit! Go home. Oh. Back the reversa, güey, no era la burner?
Probably. Let's just go a little forward and then send it back.
All right.
Come on, Betty.
Come on, girl. Oh, dude, there's like black smoke coming out. Yeah, neutral drop. Nah, don't brake, just... Oh, that sounds so bad.
You have no oil pressure, dude.
All right, I'm thinking like, do you want to wet the tires again or?
Yeah, I could. I mean,
let's stick brakes in the front. That way you don't have to press the brake.
True.
I don't want to do it. Like,
or do you want to just like rev it up and like feed the engine some stuff? I feel that's
I don't want to fuck up no more of the pavement.
Yeah, fuck it. Let's kill the engine.
Let's stick a battery in there. She'll explode.
Yeah, well, everybody witnessed the truck couldn't do anything, so now we're gonna feed it some food. Maybe it'll help it. Oh, we need to remove this thing, dude. Hey, what wrench did you use, Sergio?
Huh?
What wrench did you use?
For what?
Para quitarle la tapa, güey.
It's 13.
I mean, maybe we can just rip it out.
13 socket.
Not the solder for SV Jerry win.
This fool. Watch your head, yeah.
Get out.
The whole engine's moving. Oh, there you go. Oh, shit. You good? It's good.
What are you talking about, bro?
We got it. There you go. It looks hungry. Oh, this fool. We got some carb cleaner. Maybe you'll.
What else have you here?
Have that shit explode. I think we're ready, dude.
Okay, hold on.
Fire it up. Oh. Keep it on the throttle. Keep it on the throttle. Oh, it died instantly. Like it. Charge him. Hey, work the throttle. Let it idle. Slowly, there you go. Keep it alive. Go. Oh. Oh shit. That easy, come on, no way. Yeah, there you go, open the throttle. Let her rest. Oh, dude, you should have seen that flame, dude.
Alright, let me just fucking turn it on.
Got a little surprise baggie here.
Here we go.
Car cleaner. There you go. Help it. Car cleaner, motherfucker. Yeah, keep it going, keep it. It doesn't like the dirt. It does...
I didn't by toe.
Oh, what?
I wasn't pressing the gas.
Really?
I'm serious. That shit was doing it by toe.
Dude, we fitted a couple of bolts and shit. Like, that was pretty rough.
Dude, I wasn't fucking on the even throttle, dude. I wasn't even on the throttle. That shit stayed open.
All right, you want to feed it a little bit?
Okay.
Here, you just work. You work the spray, and he feeds it. You guys ready?
Fuck yeah, yes.
All right.
That's it. Here he goes, here he goes. Oh, shit. Fire, fire, fire. Shit. No, wait, tiene fuego, tiene fuego.
Well, good thing we don't have any fire extinguishers.
Fucking dumbass.
Let's let it rest a little bit, maybe.
There you go.
Maybe I was just thirsty.
Fuck it, let me give it a try.
You want to give it a try,
Yeah.
bitch? You just gotta keep like fucking. That's how I was, yeah. This is strong shit.
Fool.
Wait, get your juice, bitch, in case that shit catches on fire.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, did it lock up?
That shit is locked.
No way. No way. That's it? Is that it? No way. Keep going. Oh, it's done. Wow.
Yeah, it's done.
Any words, Sergio?
Huh?
Any words?
She was a really good truck, and I will miss her.
Jay, any words?
Fuck Chevy.
All right, she did anything she could. She was trusty, and now she's gone.
Look, Brad. The Red Rocket's going down already.
The Red Rocket. Yeah, we're gonna part it out right now. Sergio's taking the slapper bars, taking the cherry bomb, and maybe we'll take the posi. I mean the fucking no. Fuck it. Yeah, we tried putting a different battery on there. It still didn't want to go. Yeah, she's done. She's locked up. Oh shit, bitch.
Hey, bro, for my homies.
Yeah, for
Spot the dead homies.
for all the fall.
Spot the dead homies.
Your last drink. Drink up. Damn.
All right, guys. So the truck is going. They're picking it up. He's setting it up. You guys need your car to be towed? Hit up the homeboy. I'll put the info. Put the link in there. He works all around the area. So yeah, look, he has a nice truck, strong enough to take care of any car. So this is the last goodbye to the S10.